Chelsea and princesses. It's Monday morning and Barbie and Ken are trying to figure out what to do with Chelsea and Eleanor. Barbie, I just got a text message that school is closed again. Oh no, I have so much work to do. I can't play with Chelsea and Eleanor all day. Look, I have all of this laundry to wash. Don't worry, Barbie, I have an idea. I'm going to play with the girls today. We're going to have a big play date. Thank you, Ken. You are the best. You're welcome. Now, I'm going to go check on the girls. Hey, girls, I have good news for you today. There's no school. Yay, no school!
Does it mean we can play all day?
Yes, girls, it does. Actually, if you play nicely for a while, I'll have a surprise for you. Yay, a surprise! I love surprise! Awesome, be nice, girls. Okay, I have my plan. First, I'm gonna go to the Arendale house. Let's go. Knock, knock, knock. Come in. Hello, Kristoff. Hello, Ken. How can I help you today? Today there's no school for the kids. Have you gotten that text message? Yes, I have, and I'm very concerned. We have no idea what to do with the kids. Is that right, Sven? No. Well, I have an idea. Oh, great idea. What time? About 2:30? Okay. Yep, sure. Thanks, bye. Now I'm going to go to another house. I am going to Belle's Castle. Come in. I don't see anyone in the kitchen. Maybe they're upstairs. Let's go check upstairs. Hey guys, have you heard that there's no school today? Yes, we have. And we have no idea what to do with Bella. She's very sad in her room. Yes, she loves school. And the second thing that she loves is having a play date. But we haven't organized anything yet. Well, that's perfect. I'm going to whisper something in your ear really quickly so that Bella can't hear it. Keep on going. Ooh, that's awesome. What time? About 2:30. Perfect timing. Will be available. Okay, perfect. Now I'm going to ask Cinderella and Prince Charming. Hello, Cinderella. Hello, Ken. How can I help you? Well, did you hear there's no school today? Yes, I did. And, well, Prince Charming's at work, and I have a lot of work to do. Me and my mice are going to clean up the whole house, and we don't know what to do with Cinderella. Well, that's perfect. I'm going to whisper something to you in your ear. Okay, so that Cinderella won't hear it. Perfect! Great! What time? 2:30? Okay. We'll meet at Arendale. Can you come pick Cinderella up? We'll probably be cleaning. I can actually take her with me now. Yes, please. Thank you so much. Yeah, I have Eleanor and Chelsea. Cinderella's great friends with Chelsea and Eleanor. Perfect. I'm gonna go grab her. Hey, Cinderella, do you want to come to our house for a play date with Chelsea? Yeah, of course. Yeah, that's perfect. I love to have a play date. Perfect. Let's go, Cinderella. Yay! Guys, we're going to go to Arendale. It's 2:29. We only have a minute to get there. Okay, everyone, it's time for our big fun play date. Oh no, I'm late for the play date. I need to get downstairs. Hi, sorry, I'm a bit late. I was playing with my owl toy upstairs, and I totally forgot about the play date at 2:30. That's okay. We still didn't start explaining the rules. So, rule number 1. We're going to be doing a Hatchimals egg hunt. So, if someone finds something and you see them drop the egg out of their hands, then please give it to them. Because everyone can only get one egg. And it's not fair if someone gets 0 and you get 2. So, and we will have a golden egg. Whoever finds that golden egg will be first in line to go in the toy gumball thing. Oh, I haven't even mentioned it yet. So at the end, we will go to a gumball machine. And in that gumball machine, instead of gumballs, there will be toys.
Yay, yay, we love toys in the gumball machine.
And I love Hatchimals.
And I love playdates and everything else. Awesome, let's start.
Okay, girls. 3, 2, 1, go.
Mommy, did you see the Hatchimal egg? We have a Hatchimal Easter egg hunt.
No, honey, I didn't. Oh, and it's an egg hunt, so you have to find it by yourself.
Okay, can I look around? I'm gonna go to my room. What's that noise? I'm just gonna keep on going. Under this brush now. Pony, did you see any eggs? No, okay, I'm gonna go downstairs. Huh? Again? Let's see what's there. There should be something. I found an egg. That's what it was the whole time. Hey, egg. Mommy, I got the purple egg.
I'm so proud of you, Cinderella.
I'm gonna go hunt another one.
I don't care. I'm just going to go straight to Barbie and ask if she has seen any eggs. Okay, I'm going to go up the stairs. Nope, Barbie's not here. The kids left a big mess here with the toys. Let's see the toy box. Nope. Okay, I'm going to go ask Barbie. Hey, Barbie, have you seen any eggs? I don't think so. And plus, it's an egg hunt, so... What? I just found a golden egg! Yay, yay, yay! I found the golden egg! I found the golden egg! Thank you so much, Barbie! No problem. Oh, and give this hint to one of your friends. There's another egg in this house. Cool.
Let's see under the table. That's my favorite hiding spot in hide and seek. No, probably they hid it better. Behind the fireplace? No. Let's go upstairs and check. Belle, Adam, have you seen any eggs?
Oh, well, I don't know.
Found it.
Good job. We thought that this was the best hiding spot in the house because who would hide an egg under someone's skirt?
I found it.
Hey, Chelsea. Psst, 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 psst. Perfect. What room? I don't know, but you have to find it. I think it's on the 2nd floor. Okay. So it's in our house. Let's look behind the piano. Nope. Behind the stairs. No, she said it's on the 2nd floor. So let's see in the bathroom. Like, who would hide an egg in the bathroom? This is the least obvious spot to hide an egg, so maybe someone would have hid the eggs in here. Nope. No toilet. Plus, that would be disgusting. Not in the sink. Yay, I got it! It's beautiful and blue. Yay, with a purple heart. Let's go. Let's see if Sven hides some eggs.
Ew, Sven, you pooped! Ew! Let's see if anything is upstairs. Mommy, did you see any eggs?
No, honey.
Aw, let's see under the couch. Kristoff, did you see any eggs?
No.
Ken, did you see any eggs?
I did, but I can't tell you.
Aw, I'm gonna go check in our room. Nothing under my bed. Let's check in Anya's room. Nothing under Anya's bed. Where could the eggs be? I'm just gonna go and check in Bella's house. Hey, Mrs. Wardrobe, did you see any eggs? No, my dear, I did not. See, I don't have any eggs. But are they somewhere in this room? Well, I don't know. I was sleeping this whole time. Luminaire, have you seen any eggs? Well, he should be somewhere downstairs. Maybe you're tricking me. The bed is the good spot. I found one. Yeah, only if I can get it. I found it. It's so cool, I love it.
Oh no, I think everybody already has their eggs. It's just me looking for the eggs. Nope, not in the bathtub. No, not under the table, not under this, not under that, not under that. Maybe in here. Oh, nope, not there. Here under you, nope. Under here, no. Under the stairs, no. I think someone already took the egg from under the stairs. I remember I saw an egg under the stairs and said that maybe I should come back later. Let's see in Cinderella's room. Nope. No. Balcony maybe. Oh, I hope that there's one on the balcony. Nope. Only just pumpkins. And I really don't want to go to the attic, but what if the egg is in the attic? What if it's the golden egg? Oh, no. I'm scared of attics. Okay. Nope. No eggs in there. Phew. I need to go to a different castle. No, not there. Here, no. Let's see, balcony, no, only swamping. The rose, no. Under your skirts, sorry, just seeing. Okay, nope, nothing. Nope. No, nothing on the balcony. Nothing behind the chair. Okay, Bella's room, no. No. Nothing there. Okay, next house. Okay, now let's check the garage. There has to be something in the garage. Let's see, in the car. Nope. Here. Nope. Behind the car. Nope. It is a good hiding spot. Okay, here. No. Here. No. Okay, let's just open up the dishwasher and hope that I don't get in trouble. Nope, nothing. Here, no. Here, no. Here, no. Elevator, come on. Finally. And up to the elevator. Here, no. Here, no, not there. Here, no. Toilet, no. That would be weird to have an egg on the toilet. I would not even touch it. It would be so disgusting. No, not there. Okay, upstairs. Whew. I'm tired. Maybe I should get a Fitbit. Ooh, my mommy has a Fitbit. I can give her some steps. No, not here. Not there. No, there. No. Every house has a balcony, but not mine. I want a balcony. Hey, Barbie, have you seen any eggs? No, plus there's no more left in our house. Oh, no. Hey, Sven. Oh, good boy. You wouldn't be hiding an egg now, would you? Nope. Okay. Finally, I found an egg. Anya, are you here yet? We have everybody but you. Oh, I'm so late. They're all waiting for me. I'll be there soon, guys. I'm coming. I got an egg, too. Finally, Anya. It took you forever. Not to be rude. Okay, girls. Now you can open up your eggs. I found the golden egg. Can I open up my egg first? Yes, of course, Bella. Yay. Let's rub and rub and rub until it turns pink. Let's just hope it turns pink. It's turning pink. Let's see if I can crack it. Yes, I can crack it. Let's see what's in there. I think it might be something rare since it's golden. Yeah, me too. Let's see. Come on. Whatever you are, get out. Oh, it's so cute. It's like a little, it's a baby cow. Can I open my neck since I got the stripy one? Yep. Okay. Ooh, this is gonna take a while. Let's go. I think I'm opening my ear.
Yeah. Let's open this. Oh, it's so cute. It's just supposed to sled. It's a Lammy on the surfboard. Wee woo hee. It's so cute. I love my toy.
I love mine too. Plus, it has purple wings. That means it's a rare. But I don't know what kind of rare.
You are so lucky.
So, Anya, what did you get? I'm still hatching mine. I'm not done though. I think it's going to be some like mermaid. Look, it's a little Merpegasus, and it also has purple wings. I don't care what kind mine is because I obviously don't know. But I think it's adorable.
Could I go next?
Yes, of course, Cinderella.
Yay! It's turning, it's turning. It's turning. It's turning pink, it's turning pink. Let's rub-a-dub-dub. Rub-a-dub-dub. More, more, more. I did it. It's hatching. Come on. Oh, it's pink and it's so cute. Yeah. Let's get it out. It's a kitty on a floaty. It's so adorable. Can I open mine now? Yeah, it's hatching, it's hatching. Let's go. Yeah. Let's go. Come on, Egg. Let's go. Hurry up, hurry up. Open it, open it, open it. Yay. What is this? I think it's a little cute crab. Pinch, pinch, pinch. Ah, it's real. It's pinching me. Ah!
Chelsea, your turn. Okay, well, I already did mine. And it's a merpandu. Isn't it adorable? She's rare. Oh, you're so lucky. Hey, guys, we have the best collection ever.
Oh, yay. They are so cute.
Now, girls, let's go to Cinderella's house to play the Gumball machine.
Yay!
Oh, and I get to go first because I got the golden egg. Since Bella got the golden egg, she gets to go first. Okay, Bella. 3, 2, 1. Yay! I can't wait to open it. Let's see what I got. It's a glittering sea elephant? Seahorse elephant? That's weird. Well, I think I got a good one because I did get the golden egg. So I got a glittery one. I think it's special edition. Yay, who's next? Okay, second girl, Ellie. Ooh, that came shooting out. Let's see what it is. Oh, it's a cute little puppy dog. It's adorable. I love puppy dogs, and it's squishy. Hey, I'm so lucky today. I'm getting so many cute toys. Yay! Get to go to the back of the line. Come on, puppy. Okay, next is Chelsea. Let's see what Chelsea's gonna get. Okay. Come on. Okay. Yay, I got a blue. Yay! Let's see what's gonna be inside. It's a little baby girl. She's adorable. Aww. Well, now I got to go to the back of the line. This Gumball machine is awesome. Now Elsia's turn. Okay, let's see what you got, Elsia. I got a little sheep, I think. Yeah, it's a little sheep. Oh, it's just adorable. This Gumball machine was a great idea. Okay, Cinderella, your turn. Yeah, I can't wait to see what I'm gonna get. Come on, thingy. Oh, yay. Let's see what I got. Oh, I think it's a little, is it a fox? Or is it like a little, let's turn it around and see. Oh, it's a little deer because it has those little white spots. So adorable. I love my toy. Come on, little one. Let's go. Last but not least, Anya. Why do I always have to be last? Well, let's see what I got. Hope I get a really, really good toy. Oh, it's adorable. Is it like a squirrel? It's the cutest toy ever. I think it's a little polar bear, but I'm not sure. I love it. I love it. This is the best play date ever. Thank you. Ken, this is the best idea. Thank you so much. We're having so much fun with the gumball machine. The girls love their toys so much. They were playing with them until it was time to go home. They even went a second round on the gumball machine. So this is all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye, everybody. Bye. I hope you liked this video. Watch more on Princess Fun Place.